We're in Enfield today with Listing Liz. She has another awesome one right here behind us. 18 Ridge Road. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, Liz, let's go on inside and take a little tour. Yep. We walk in here. So on the left, we've got the living room, and we go around the corner, and the first floor looks like we have, what, a half bath?
Yes, a nice half bath.
All right, awesome.
Off the kitchen through that door over there is the 2-car garage.
Love the attached garage, especially for our New England winters. And then we're completing the circle and we're back to the stairs. Liz, what do we got upstairs?
Upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms and another full bathroom. And there's a whole house fan up here on the 2nd floor as well. The basement is partially finished with a full bathroom, and the laundry's in the basement. And there is also an extra bonus room in the basement.
Thanks for showing us around, Liz. Love this neighborhood. Love this house. If you agree, you want a private showing, hit Liz up. Her information's on the screen. And some great programs out there for financing for this place. Give me a call and we'll hook you up. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. Until next time, Enfield, we're out of here.